Hello everyone, this is Kevin from 8872helper.com, and I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of our service so I can show you how much easier it can make filing your Form 8872s with the IRS. So I'm assuming you're here because you're already working with a political action committee or nonprofit or some other organization that's required to file these forms. In that case, you're probably already quite familiar with the IRS website and likely this page here where you would manually enter in each of your contributors' information. And as you know, this gets very time consuming and very tedious very quickly. But the IRS does give you another option, which is to upload all of your data in one file. However, this file has to be in an XML format. So what 8872helper.com does is we take your existing data that you're already collecting for your contributors and your expenditures, and we convert it into this XML format. That way you can take that file and simply upload it to the IRS and be done, instead of having to go back and manually enter all that information. So let me show you briefly how that works. We'll go to the 8872helper.com website. Here I am, I'm already logged in. And we're going to click on Create from Template. And so what that means is we're going to use an Excel template, which you can download for free off of our website. And this is what that looks like. It has all of the fields that are required by the IRS for the Form 8872. Schedule A is your contributions, Schedule B is your expenditures. And if you are probably already using something similar to this, don't change if you are. The point of 8872helper.com is we take the information that you already have so that you don't have to change it. If you are using a paper method or something like that, then maybe you want to download the spreadsheet template and start using that instead. It'll make your life a lot easier. So here's some sample data. These are not real people or real contributors. This is just some sample data that we created for the purposes of demonstration. But I'll show you how we're going to turn this into an XML file that we can simply upload to the IRS. So we clicked on Create from Template. We'll choose which entity we're going to make it for. We have our demonstration pack. This will be an initial filing. It will be a mid-year report, which runs from January 1st to June 30th. And then we'll pick our file. So here's our demo template file. And hit Submit. Okay, and we have successfully created an XML file. Gives you a little bit of information about your totals and how many records it processed. Obviously, this is a pretty short record. If you have a larger record, it will probably take a little bit longer. We can download our file and save it someplace you'll remember where it's at. And in fact, it's okay if you don't, because you can go back to View Downloads and download it again. So we'll go back to the IRS website and we'll pick our file. There it is, and hit upload. There we go. When you reach this page on the IRS website, what this means is that you have successfully uploaded the file and there were no errors or anything like that. So all you have to do to file it is electronically sign it and hit Submit. I'm not going to do that because this is just demonstration data, but in that case you're done and you've skipped all of the manual data entry. If you want, you can look at it and make sure everything looks as you expect, as it does. 29 items. Here's all your contributors. Here's your total. You can look at our Schedule B. Oh, it wants us to enter somebody else. We'll hit Reset and then Schedule B. Yep, looks good. So then you can go to Submit. Wants us to enter somebody again. Hit Reset, Submit, and you're ready to go. And that's it. That's how simple it can be. So go check out our website at 8872helper.com. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them. You can find our contact information on the website.